Hey gang members, welcome back to the video. Today we are going to teach you how to make easy, minimal ingredient slime. No glue needed.
No eye contact solution.
It's a really easy recipe. Hey guys, before I continue with the tutorial, I just want to throw in there that I would really appreciate it if you gobbled up that subscribe button, smash the like button. So first, of course, like any slime tutorial, you'll want a bowl and something to mix with. Now for the main ingredient, a mozzarella cheese stick. Make sure it's mozzarella. And just throw that in the bowl like so. This is the most important step. I cannot stress that enough. You're gonna pop that bad boy in the microwave, fork included, and cook it for about 10 minutes. Now you're going to want to firmly stir it and make sure everything binds together. And voila, easy, reusable, reducible, and recyclable slime.
Stop, I'm done.
What do you mean? People how to be happy.
I'm done.
Look at it. Just give it a chance. Just give it a chance. It's nice. It feels good.